This is an unboxing video for GTI. What I have now is a GTI 8 equipped with 8th generation Intel i5 processor. There is also a GTI 2 equipped with 10th generation Intel i3 processor. It supports Wi-Fi 6 function. There is GTI text on both sides and storage on the top. We can see the specification on the bottom. The box is a pull-out type, which is convenient to use. When you open the box, it contains GTI, power adapter, HDMI cable, user manual and installation manual, wall-mounted bracket, some additional SATA cables. GTI can install an additional 2.5 inches SATA. Let's look at the machine together. First, we need to tear off its film. There is a fingerprint unlocker. The top of the machine is beautiful, with a round texture and it can reflect light. There are vents on two sides and bottom, which are in the shapes of GI5. The GTI heat dissipation is great, including two built-in heat pipes and two silent fans. At the bottom is the information of the machine. On the front, we can see power button, CMOS reset button, two USB 3 ports, headphone jack, and USB-C port. The USB-C port needs to be connected with an USB docking station for video output. The two small holes next to it can be used for voice input. There are some vents on the back, including DC port, two Ethernet port, one HDMI port, and one DC port. On the GTI, there is another USB-C port in this position, but it cannot use for video output. And the two USB-C 3 port and two USB 2 port. As we can see, the interface is complete and abundant. Up to 3 monitors can be connected, and multiple peripherals can be connected. And two Ethernet port design enrich the application field.